What's up, what's up, what's up? It's your boy Big Bob's back in here. I got the MetalCloak sway bar disconnects for my son's TJ, and we're gonna go ahead and take it out the box, see what we got in here, and work on another project. All right, so this job can be done without removing the tire. We're just taking off the tire so we can have a bit of camera view while we are working on the job. All right, that's the sway bars disconnected. To reconnect, you just pop this off of here, take this off of here. I'm gonna come down to the bottom side, right over here. Pop this bad boy back in like that, and then put this piece. This thing out here. Single hand is kind of tricky sometimes. Find exactly where that hole is. Let me put this thing down, get better. All right. Use two hands now. Find out where that little hole is there. There we go. Put that there. Go ahead and go to the other side and do the same thing. So we take this pin off of here. Take this off of here. Pop this off. Put it down here. here. Pop it in there. Sway bar's connected. All right, so I finally got the job done. It was not too difficult of a job. It just took me a little bit of time. I should have just did it when I had a solid chunk of time, but I had a lot of stuff going on. So I got it all installed. I'm gonna take a trip this weekend. It's gonna be the first time we take the Jeep out. So we'll take it out and see how it does, hopefully. So anyway, that's the MetalCloak sway bar quick disconnects. Big Bob's back in here. Peace and I'm out.